Hi everyone, this is David Sambor, and on behalf of Philippe Lecoute and myself, first and foremost, we would like to wish every single one of you a very happy new year and all the best for the upcoming 2022. And I'm also happy to announce a new video series that we're going to be doing quite frequently, every day if I get the opportunity, because they're only going to be about 10-15 minutes long, and that video series is called Quick Wins, and it's going to be on various different topics. Today we're going to be talking about Google Analytics and reporting with Data Quantix, where we're using custom metrics to literally use Google Analytics as the middleman, as opposed to relying on the Facebook Ads Manager or the Google Ads Manager or YouTube. So Google Analytics, when you set that up correctly, is going to give you much more accurate information than Facebook Ads Manager would be giving you, than Google would be giving you, because of obviously all of the iOS 14 changes and obviously people bouncing before they actually end up on your page. So what I'm going to be going through today is how to create custom metrics within Data Quantix. Now, if you don't have a Data Quantix account, below this video I will put a link to sign up for a free 7-day trial where you can try it out and connect various different sources such as Facebook ads, Facebook pages, Instagram for business, all different types of one-click integrations. And if you also don't have our all access training pass, there is a link below this video where what you can do is click on that, and every single time we go live in our Data Quantix community and our Messenger Marketing Experts community, you will get a push notification that will link to that live in one of those or all of those different communities. So let's hop into the training. Today we're going to, as I say, do Google Analytics. And what you're looking at here, so this is all about custom metrics. So I'm going to switch over to the dashboard here, and let's get out of this for a start, and let's reopen that one particular dashboard. As you can see, we've done quite a lot of dashboards, so it's this one here. So I'm going to click on View, and then I'm going to click on Edit. So on the far right hand side, what you've actually got is Facebook itself. So this is a Facebook connector, and if I click on the edit button, what's going to happen, if you look down here where it's got row, you'll see that the connector is Facebook ads, and the metric that I'm pulling in is link clicks by campaign, and I'm doing that on a specific campaign called bottom of funnel, and it's I can't read it, it's in French. So, but what we're doing is we're pulling in this one individual campaign. Now, the one thing that I want to highlight here is this particular client, and you should be as well, is using UTM parameters across the board on paid media, on social, organic media, every single place that they have content where there's a call to action. That call to action button will have a UTM in it. Now, in this particular case, for this one campaign, what they have is the source is Facebook, the medium is CPC, and then the campaign is this here, bottom of funnel, and then this French, I'm not sure, Philippe would be able to tell you exactly what this is, but I can't. So what Facebook is telling us over the last quarter is that from this bottom of funnel campaign, there were 43 link clicks with a cost of €8.82 per click. Well, in Google Analytics, excuse me, in Google Analytics, they're telling you a completely different story. And the only way, and I want to highlight here, which is very important, the only way that people could land on this page where Google Analytics is reporting 62 sessions is from a click on that Facebook ad. So at the moment, Facebook is under-reporting here, where they're saying it was 43, when in fact it was 62 sessions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you how to do the custom metric for Google Analytics. So providing you've got Google Analytics connected in Dataquantix, again, if you don't have a Dataquantix account, you can get a 7-day free trial, and the link will be below this video. And you can have a mess around with it. And then at the end of the 7 days, if you're like, no, this is not for me, then obviously you cancel and it's cost you nothing. But it's well worth using Google Analytics as the middleman now to report the most accurate data that you can possibly get. So again, today's quick win is how to set this up. So what I'm going to do here in Dataquantix is I'm going to come down to my Google Analytics connector, and let me just copy this here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to custom metric. I'm going to click on create custom new metric. Now what this is going to do is this is going to bring up this fancy looking custom metric from Google Analytics, and the metric that I want is sessions. And what I'm going to do, the dimension is campaign. So I'm going to do that here. Now, if I preview the data, here's the thing. If I preview the data here, what it's going to do, it's going to give me all of their campaign names. Well, I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on advanced options. I'm going to click on by dimension. I'm going to filter it, and the dimension is campaign. So I'm going to click on that, and the operator contains substring, and then I'm going to paste in the exact UTM parameter that they're using in the UTM URL. So again, the source, Facebook, Medium, CPC, and the campaign is bottom of funnel, and the rest of that I don't understand in French. So now we're going to preview the data, and what that's doing is that's pulling that through. So that's how you do it. You would save that as a particular custom metric, so you could save that as the campaign name. So I'm going to click cancel because we've already got it, and if I click on the edit, you'll see that that is exactly what I've just been through to set up. Sessions, dimension is campaign, and then I'm filtering by dimension. The dimension is the campaign, and the operator contains the substring, bottom of funnel, and the UTM parameter that they're using in the actual campaign itself. So the only way that people can get to that landing page is from clicking on the link in Facebook. So the next one is that. So that's a custom metric. Now this one here is a calculated metric. So when I click on edit here, what I'm doing is I'm pulling information and I'm doing a calculation on two different connectors. One is Facebook and the other one is Google Analytics, the actual custom metric that I've just created. So what I'm doing is as you can see here, it's the Facebook ad, the amount spent by that one campaign in euros, and then I am dividing it by the amount, again, the custom metric that I've just done, by the amount of sessions on the website that contains that campaign UTM parameter. So when I save that, what that is going to do is that is going to give me a better, more accurate, and I like to highlight, more accurate overview of what's happening within Facebook for that one campaign. Now this is for one campaign. Can you imagine that over a lot of other different campaigns? So what I want to do is I want to make sure that you all understand that, again, what we're going to be doing across the coming months is various different quick wins that you can implement in your business, whether or not that is on ManyChat, email automation, mobile wallet, tons and tons and tons of different things that we're going to be doing, and we're going to be uploading to our Facebook groups and Facebook pages, and we're also going to be creating a members area which will be on the back of the All Access Mobile Wallet Pass. So below this video, if you want access to all of these quick wins in one place, then you do need to install our All Access Training Pass, because the login for all of these quick wins will be on the back of that pass. So that was it for today. We did a very quick win training on Google Analytics and Facebook ads on how to use custom metrics and calculated metrics to get a more accurate report on exactly what's going on within our Facebook campaigns. So again, on behalf of Philippe and myself, a very happy new year. Expect a lot more of these. They're gonna be fun. We're gonna enjoy doing them. So make sure that you click on the link below this in the description to install our All Access Mobile Wallet Pass. And if you want a free trial of Data Quantix, again, there's also going to be a link in the description for a free trial. So again, Happy New Year, and we'll catch up soon. Take care. Bye-bye.